Hey beauty queens, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be reviewing a T-part lace wig from AFSISTERWIG. Um, this is actually my first time working with a T-part wig, so I was a little skeptical about it, but it didn't turn out so bad. This wig is 18 inches and it's 180 density. As you can see, it's 613. My issue with T-part lace wigs is I feel like the hairline part, it just doesn't give you enough versatility. The tracks usually start really close to the front hairline. The part is usually fine, but it's just a hairline. So I never really thought to want to install one. But when I received this one, I was like, no, we can make this work. And the hair was pretty good. So I am not going to be gluing this wig down. As you can see, I sprayed some Got to Be Free spray. So this is one of the glueless methods that I do if the client doesn't want any adhesive or any gel. I'll use the Got to Be Free spray and it holds pretty good. So I just sprayed it because when you spray it, it travels. So you don't need to spray every single part of the hairline. You just need to spray, in certain areas so that it is covered. But like I said, it travels, so you don't have to worry about getting every single part. And then once you do that, you want to comb the hair away because you do not want it to be stuck. So I'm just placing my band. And the hair already came straight. We weren't doing anything extra to it, so it wasn't a whole lot of customizing I had to do. But get it as flat as we can possibly get it. Nobody wants their wig sitting up, so we did have to do that. When you get 613 wigs, 9 times out of 10, the lace is a white, a lighter, color like white. So you will have to tint the lace. I tinted my lace to, of course, her skin complexion to make it look more natural. It did not come like this already. With the lighter lace colors, they are better for lighter skin tones, of course. And then on darker skin tones, you can use medium brown or HG lace for any complexion. But you do not want to use a medium brown lace on somebody that's light skin. Now, if you know how to work with lace, you do not need a specific lace to use for a specific client unless it's the medium brown and the person is light skin. You cannot use a darker lace on a lighter skin tone because it's going to leave a dark cast around the hairline. But you don't have to have a certain lace to make it look good if you know how to make the lace work. If you know how to customize and pluck, you will be good with any lace as long as the lace is not darker than the person's skin tone. You cannot part this wig any place else other than the middle. You can get the hairline back, but you cannot part it any place else because there are tracks along the sides of the hair. So you can only part this wig in one area. If you're a middle part person and you're not worried about anything else, this would be perfect for you if you don't want the versatility. But I'm cutting the lace off now. Now you can see I didn't use any adhesive. I only used the Got to Be Free spray and the lace is stuck down. What you see me doing here now is just taking out some of the hair so I can give her some baby hair. So for some added security, I just sprayed some Sebastian Shaper along the top of where I did the baby hairs. And now I'm going to put my beauty band on top just to make sure that it is secure and melting. You want it to look as natural as possible, just because I tell y'all, just because it's a wig, we still want it to look popping. So we got to make sure that, everything is right. So now, it didn't really take a lot to style this wig because it was already straight. So I didn't really have to do a lot to style it. I just went back over it with the flat iron because it was already straight and we didn't want to do no curls or nothing like that. And it was so easy to style. So now she takes the band off. This is what it looks like. 18 inches, 180 density, 613 TPART wig from AFSISTERWIG. Let's get into it. Okay, all right. But guess what? It's a little hot outside. So we're going to cut this into a bob. Who don't love a bob? I mean, it seems like that's all the installs I've been doing lately is bobs. Everybody been asking for a bob. It's too hot to really have any hair on you, and I feel it. So we decided we was going to go ahead and cut this bad boy into a bob. Do you see how this is looking already? It's looking fire. I don't know. Bobs, you could dress them up. You could dress them down. You guys don't have to cut this wig into a bob. It just was my choice. It was nothing wrong with the hair. I didn't cut it for any reason specific other than she wanted it as a bob. And it is hot outside, but you can keep it that length. Or whatever length that you choose to buy. But this is us cutting it into a bob, and then I'm going to just bump it. So we are done, and it came out so good. Both long, well, not long, but 18 inches. And as the bob, I actually like it more as a bob. I don't know. But yes, I will leave all the information for you guys in the description box. It is a TPART wig. It was 18 inches. It was 180 density that we cut into a bob. But look at this. I'm in love with this. You can't even tell it's a TPART. It looks just like a frontal. Let's, they did their thing with this. But yeah, I'll leave all the information in the description box, and I'm going to see you guys later.